You call me up, but all you wanna do is talk about us. Just give it up. I think I've had enough of what you call love. 'Cause I don't wanna have this conversation. Underline another situation. You say you want something built off communication, so here's a bit of useless information. I still get nosebleeds sometimes when I daydream about you and I. In the summertime, driving countryside, future passing by, till you came and fucked it up. You know I still get nosebleeds sometimes. You want me back, but Jesus Christ, you know I'm fucking done with that. I told you this is where I'm at, so please stop messing with my habitat. 'Cause I don't wanna have this conversation. Underline